Hey guys, it's Chameleon from Nalma River End, and I'm going to do a bike check because I got into biking for 6 months now. Alright, this is my bike. I'm going to start at the top. So, I have Cult Van grips, blue. I got Cult Florins. I have a United bars, yeah. 8.25 rise, 28.5 wide. Got a United stem. Got a United headset. I have stock United forks. My wheel is a stock United. My tire is Cult Van tires, 20 by 2.35. My frame is a stock United frame, United Recruit. My cranks are La Casa cranks, as you can see. I have Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, Crackle Tangerine. On the other side too. What else? My seat is a Subrosa seat, fat, red. I have a purple pivotal seat post. I have a United seat clamp. Other side, I got a McNeil V2 sprocket. See, I have a KC chain. I forgot what it's called. I have a cold 4 peg metal. My back wheel is a United wheel stock. My back tire is a Cult Van tire, 20 by 2.35. My hub in the front is a stock United hub cassette. My front hub is a stock United hub. What else? My top tube for my frame is 20 inches. So I think that's it. Leave a comment if I forgot anything. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and favorite this video if you want, or comment if you want. So yeah, see you guys.